Hennessey Performance, and we want to welcome the 2018 NASCAR World Champion Joey Logano. Good to see you, brother.
Good.
And being the Ford guy that you are, I thought, you know, we're going to have our Heritage Mustang, Joey coming into town, so would you have an interest in jumping in this 800 horsepower Mustang? And we've got Alex over here, Alex Royce, our production manager.
What's up, Alex?
Today is Alex's birthday. What are you, 24?
24.
Yeah. So I thought, rather than me get to go for a ride with this guy, which scared the crap out of me. You get the honors. So,
you get a hell ride. Yeah. Happy birthday.
Yeah. All right. Well, you know the track, so you can show Joey around. Be safe as always.
Of course.
But I mean, have fun, man.
Sounds good. Oh, this thing's fun. That's a fun car. We're gonna do another lap.
Yeah, heck yeah, keep going. You want to do a smoke show?
Alright. That's still fun.
That was awesome. We can do the truck next.
Okay.